Okay, so I'm answering question number 5. So the book so far doesn't really tell how he ended up that way with his addictions, but he does give some indications on what some possibilities might be, like maybe the fact that his friend Michelle from school was killed in a car accident. Kind of seems like he believes that everyone, believes everybody else when they say that he was responsible for the accident by helping her lie to her parents. So they trusted him with their daughter, but obviously because she had to lie to them, they didn't trust the boy that was with her when she died. So he kind of betrayed their trust, I guess you could say. So it doesn't seem like he will ever forgive himself for doing that. And so maybe that was definitely a contributing factor of why he might have turned to drinking and drugs to get away from that, or to not think about it as much. So it was kind of a blocking his mind out from it, so he could drink. So then another might be the fact that his parents were not really there for him in the start, at the start of his addiction. So they, maybe if they would have taken some time to sit and talk with him about what might happen, or show him how he could end up, being in prison, or end up dying eventually when he gets older. Kind of like if when they take little young kids to Scared Straight, so it's taking him to prison to actually show him like this could be where he ends up, especially if he keeps doing drugs and selling, or selling them to other kids or whatever. So so maybe his parents could have been a little bit more involved with his day-to-day life. They would have seen that he was getting money from somewhere to get alcohol. So I wonder, where this money has been coming from. If they did know what was going on, and it was because of the neighborhood he was at, then maybe they should have moved away or did something of that sort. I guess it all depends on the child, so you just have to take time to figure out how to reach to them and find out what their interests are. So it's just a matter of being a parent that's involved in their child's life to really make a difference and to set them on the right path, which I hope to do with my son. So, yep, that's my post number 1. Thanks.